Want to make your kitchen smarter, faster, and more efficient? In today's video, we're sharing some of the world's best kitchen products on Amazon that can save you time and make everyday cooking easier. From clever gadgets to must-have tools, we've picked products worth checking out. You'll find all the product links in the description, with the latest prices and customer reviews. If you enjoy this video, please like, comment, and subscribe for more top Amazon product recommendations. Product 5, Meat Chopper for ground beef. Dinner was seconds away, and the beef turned into chaos. Lumps everywhere, spatters flying, my skillet looked betrayed. I reached for a spatula, then everything got worse. The meat clung stubbornly, mocking every desperate stir. Then I spotted it, a black kitchen secret. A 5-blade meat chopper built for instant rescue. One press, and the mess started breaking apart. 5 wide beveled blades crushed beef fast and evenly. No struggle, no clumps, no pan damage. Heat-resistant nylon handled the hot skillet like a pro. BPA-free, odorless, non-stick safe, pure kitchen confidence. It even scraped the pan sides with ruthless precision. Cleanup? A shocking miracle. Sink or dishwasher? Done. Ground beef, potatoes, fruits, sauces, this tool conquers all. If you cook often, you need this meat chopper now. Click the link in the description for more details. Product 4, Longslot 2, Slice Toaster, Tiny Counter, Giant Craving. Meet the toaster that changes breakfast. Its slim 3.58-inch body slips into any kitchen space, but inside, a long 10-inch slot surprises everyone. 2 slices side by side. Easy. Artisan sourdough, bagels, baguettes, Texas toast? Absolutely. Watch breakfast turn into a neat little flavor show. 6 shade settings let you choose your perfect golden moment. Lightly kissed or deeply crisped, it obeys your toast mood. Need a quick refresh? Press reheat and wake it up. Changed your mind? Cancel instantly. No drama, no wait. The high lift lever makes small slices easy to grab. Auto-centering guides keep every piece aligned for even browning. Cleanup feels effortless with the slide-out crumb tray. Anti-jam and auto shutoff add confidence to every morning. Slim, fast, stylish, Bella delivers big impact in oat milk. Upgrade your countertop. See the latest price in the description below. Product 3, Best Dish Soap Spray Kit. After dinner, my pans were coated with stubborn grease. I scrubbed forever, but the grime just kept clinging on. My sink looked messy, and I was already exhausted. Then I spotted Dawn Power Wash in a quick scroll. The spray wipe rinse promise instantly caught my attention. No soaking, no endless scrubbing, no wasted time. 3 cleaning boosters? That sounded way too powerful. I grabbed the starter kit with 3 refill bottles. 1 spray, and the suds activated immediately on contact. I wiped once, and the grease disappeared fast. Even burnt-on messes came off with barely any effort. It felt like an overnight soak, but in minutes. Now I use it on dishes, counters, and more. Why keep struggling when cleaning this easy is here? Are you ready to upgrade your kitchen routine today? Grab yours through the link in the description. Product 2, Under Cabinet Paper Towel Holder. Tired of bulky paper towel holders wasting precious space? Meet the upgraded matte black aluminum towel holder. First reason, it's lighter, stronger, and built to last. High-quality aluminum alloy resists rust, corrosion, and daily wear. Second reason, save space with under-cabinet, vertical, or horizontal mounting. Perfect for kitchens, bathrooms, garages, RVs, and more. Third reason, choose self-adhesive or drilling installation easily. Stick it up fast or drill for extra security. It fits most paper towel rolls thanks to 12.2 inches. And it's not just for paper towels. Use it for towels, foil, utensils, or even hats. The sleek black finish adds a clean, modern touch. Less clutter, easier access, smarter organization every day. If you want practical style, this one's a winner. Don't miss out. Check the link below. Product 1, Electric Salt and Pepper Grinder Set. Still using manual grinders? Let's compare the real difference. Regular grinders need 2 hands and constant twisting. This electric set grinds instantly with one simple press. 5 adjustable levels give fine, even seasoning every time. Use fine grind for soups, coarse for steak and BBQ. Built-in LED light shows exactly where seasoning lands. No more guessing. During nighttime cooking or grilling, battery-powered design keeps seasoning effortless anywhere, anytime. Just press to grind. Release to stop immediately. Large capacity means fewer refills and less kitchen interruption. Transparent chamber lets you check spice levels at a glance. Durable ceramic blades deliver smooth grinding and long-lasting performance. Included cleaning brush helps prevent clogging and keeps it ready. For home cooks, grillers, and seniors, this is smarter. Choose convenience, precision, and style in one grinder set. Visit the link in the description to learn more. Enjoyed this video? Like, comment, and subscribe.